Ra 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 ra, ra 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 ra, ra 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 ra. Let all the rock star. Rocket. Ra 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 ra. Ra ra. Alrighty guys, right now I'm just showing you my messy living room. Please, no judgment here. It was laundry day Sunday and we decided to do pumpkin patch instead, so you know, things fall behind. But today I am going to tackle this mess. Yes, I am, especially with a baby. Let's see how that goes. Elephant is with his long trunk, he's trucking down the letter T. He trumpets when he sees it hiding, he calls it LatinAutorPerf. And sings together. Alexa, turn on my kitchen light.
Okay.
And round, and up, and back down, and lift. Y'all, you ever have one of those days where you go to Starbucks and that one first cup of coffee ain't enough? So you just come right back home, finish that cup of coffee, make you another one? That's the story of my life. But you know what? That is mom life. My house is looking like a mess. And my daughter is in the background complaining. So the first step to conquering this household mess is to put her butt to sleep. Now, the challenge is how fast can I clean this house when she takes her nap. So, I got a sink full of dirty dishes. And this is going up today. I'm telling y'all. It's going to be an uncut, unclean Life in Becca for real rawness. My house is a mess. So, let's get into this video and see if a snap of a finger if I can get this household clean. Let's see. And as you guys can see, I'm over here trying to get my precious little girl to take a nap. Wish me luck, guys. So as y'all just saw, it is 10:55. She just went down for a nap. I feel like I'm solving a mystery here. Shh. Okay. Step 1. Grab a whole bunch of laundry. Step 2. Throw that in the sucker. Bam. Gotta run. More laundry. Oh, where is that? Bam. Hold that thought. Why I got so much laundry all over the place. And it looked like female clothes. Hold that thought. Hold it. Oh, that shit is heavy. My nose itch. Alright. So
y'all probably wondering why you got all those girl clothes. So my daughter has a cousin who's about 2 now. So her mama gives me all her clothes. And then I gotta figure out what to do with them clothes. So I wash them and put them up. But I will admit that laundry has been in my living room for maybe a month or 2. So I don't organize it right away, but today I'm gonna do it. Because she gave me more stuff. So the first bin that's heavy, been in my living room for a while. Then the clothes that was on her swings, that was recently. So that means it's time to get washed. Time to go in the closet. So stay tuned.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me. Is it love? Yeah, you and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me. Is it love?
Ryan Little.
So at this point, my daughter woke up from her nap. So now I just try to console her and get her situated. Cause you know, a mama's job is never done. And I still need to clean this house up. And voila, my house is clean. Now you're going to hear some commentaries from my husband because I told him I was going to record evidence that I cleaned the house.
Petty. Wow. She making a video, booger. A whole video. A whole video. You see that? There are no limits to your mother's pettiness. None. She has broken the barriers. She is P-E-T-T-Y. Petty. Petty.
So Jermaine.
Say P-E-T-T-Y. Petty. Petty. P-E-T-T-Y. Mama, you petty. 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 You still sleepy?
So Jermaine,
Yes, dear.
do you approve of a clean living room.
Yes, I approve of a clean. This living room is sparkling clean, isn't it? Yes. Not only do I want to become a client of yours, I want to become the president of your Clean Your Home Club. Clean Your Home America. I endorse you. Right? I endorse you. Say, we endorse you.
So a happy husband equals a happy home.
Say, petty mothers of America. Listen up.
Alrighty guys, so today is October 27th. I cleaned today, obviously. I look like I cleaned. I ain't changed my do, so I didn't clean myself. No, but I did clean my house. My husband approved, as you saw. So I just came here to close this video out. Thank you for watching my video if you made it to the very end. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and ciao for now.